Hey you guys, मैं हूं Manish and welcome back to your favorite show Planet Bollywood, the one place where we bring you all the latest news, views and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media. Now all of us have been stuck in lockdown for well over a month, and the good news is that hopefully, fingers crossed, this lockdown will be lifted very soon. Now in this time, I've been making a list of all the things that I want to do once the lockdown is lifted, and I'd like to know from you guys, what's the first thing that you want to do? Do write in and let me know. On that note, let's kickstart the show.
Subhash Ghai says he is ready with the bound script of the sequel to the super hit film Khalnayak and a remake of his 1973 film Kali Charan. Priyanka Chopra Jonas is missing dressing up and stepping out of the house, and she is also missing India. Vidya Balan has managed to raise over 16 lakh rupees and has funded 2,500 personal protection equipment kits for doctors and medical staff across India. Ibrahim Ali Khan has shared a throwback photo of himself as a child in pajamas with his hands covered in paint, captioning it Picasso Jr.
Ready. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Ramzan Mubarak. Kal pehla roza.
आलिया भट्ट का अपने मॉम और डैड को एक साथ कुकिंग करते देख जो रिएक्शन था, I think all of us can really relate to that, especially considering that dads rarely enter the kitchen now, guys. Now, Alia, who has been in lockdown with her sister Shaheen and apparently her boyfriend or fiance, we don't know, Ranbir Kapoor, recently saw a picture that was posted by Suni Razdan with Suni ji and Mahesh Bhatt both cooking together in the kitchen, and Alia couldn't help but go OMG. Alia Bhatt is in lockdown with her sister Shaheen, and if rumors and videos are to be believed, so is her Prince Charming Ranbir Kapoor with them. Now recently, Mahesh Bhatt, her father and filmmaker, shared that Alia, who lives just a few houses away, had dropped in with a mask and gloves to meet them for a short while and check on her parents. So clearly, while Alia lives separately, she keeps a track of what her parents are up to, even on social media. So when she saw her parents cooking together during the lockdown, she couldn't help but go OMG. After seeing her dad on film sets for years, to see him in the kitchen must have been a happy surprise. Alia's mom Suni Razdan, who played her real-life mother in Razi, shared a post on social media where she and Mahesh Bhatt are cooking something together and captioned it, "Cooking classes in progress. Just don't imagine we did any actual cooking. A few stirrings here and there." Reacting to her parents' cooking post, Alia left a comment, "OMG." She even added कि शायद उनकी daughters उनके videos को एक social media platform पर डालना चाहती थी जहां people can add music and effects and make funny videos, but her parents have strictly forbidden it. The dash of love and humor certainly have brightened up our day, and it was great to see the two of them spending time together during lockdown. Mahesh Bhatt even used the opportunity to wish people for Ramzan, which recently began. Suni's former co-star Neena Gupta also found the sight of the two of them cooking quite funny, as did many of their fans and friends from the fraternity, जिन्होंने शायद पहली बार महेश भट्ट को किचन में देखा है. प्रियंका चोपड़ा जोनस भले ही एलए में रहती हैं, लेकिन उनका दिल जरूर है हिंदुस्तानी. Now our very own Desi girl has been spending a lot of time away from India, back home, quote unquote, in LA with her husband Nick Jonas. It seems like Priyanka Chopra is missing India a tad bit these days, and she decided to pay homage to her motherland by wearing a sari sitting at home. Here's the story.
First and foremost, I'd like to say I hope you're all staying safe. This is a crazy time.
Nothing
Nothing looks better on an Indian woman than a sari. Many celebrities have been sharing pictures of themselves while they have been dressed up to chill in their homes. Whether it's Ananya Pandey or Disha Patni who decides to dress in their best, even if it's just to stay at home. अब लगता है कि प्रियंका चोपड़ा Jonas, who is in LA with her husband Nick Jonas, is missing her Indian home because she hasn't been able to visit India for quite some time now. और पता नहीं हमारी देसी गर्ल कब लौट पाएंगी.
Hi everyone, I know it's an unsure time for all of us, but hope you're doing okay. We're sending you positive vibes.
And let's just take care of each other, and I hope everyone is safe out there. Just lots of love.
So हमारी इस पीसी ने डिसाइड किया कि घर में ही सही एक खूबसूरत साड़ी पहनी जाए. Priyanka shared a picture of herself with her husband Nick, where she is looking beautiful in a blue and silver sari, where she has accessorized with silver bangles and a deep red lipstick. Priyanka captioned the photo, "Felt like wearing a sari, so I did. At home, miss everyone." इसके पहले भी प्रियंका कई बार दिखी हैं accessorizing her western outfits with her Mangalsutra or wedding sindoor even while she has been abroad. When Nick's brother Joe got married, प्रियंका ने अपने कल्चर को represent करने के लिए भी एक सुंदर light pink साड़ी पहनी थी, which made her look absolutely gorgeous. Well, it's amazing to see how she has blended her Indian roots with her lifestyle in the West. प्रियंका, हम आपको भी बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं and we hope कि आप जल्द से जल्द अपनी फैमिली के साथ मिल सकें, both at home and your family in the film fraternity.
I've woken up to good news this morning. We've reached 2,500 plus PPE kits and raised over 16 lakhs in just a few hours. A big thank you to each of you who's donated and made this possible. A load of gratitude and God bless you. This is truly the spirit and unity of India. Let's unite for humanity and fight off COVID-19.
Now guys, there's some good news coming in from Vidya Balan, where she has just recently revealed that she, in collaboration with her partners, has raised 16 lakh rupees and has procured 2,500 personal protection equipment kits. Now this has been done just in a span of a few hours. Now let's remember guys, these PPE kits are going to be given to doctors who are fighting in the front line against COVID-19. And Vidya had to say that this was possible only and only thanks to the audience and the rest of the people of this country who generously contributed to her cause. She even took to social media to personally express her gratitude and thank everyone who made this entire situation possible. Well done, Vidya, and this is the kind of solidarity that will see us getting through these tough times. In a time of crisis, Bollywood stars have come forward to help in every possible way. From making donations to government funds and donating to NGOs of their choice, making anthems and music videos to spread hope, and funding the families of daily wage workers in the film industry who have been badly affected by the lockdown. The entire film industry has proved that they are heroic, not just on screen but in real life as well. Continuing the efforts of her colleagues, the supremely talented Vidya Balan has come forward to share that she would donate 1,000 personal protective equipment kits to the frontline healthcare staff across India. The actor has shared on a social media platform that she had joined hands with a celebrity shout-out platform to raise money that can fund an additional 1,000 PPE kits, which are the real need of the hour for doctors and medical workers who are battling this epidemic from the front lines.
There is a critical shortage of PPE, that is personal protective equipment, for our senior doctors, residents, nurses and ward boys in their daily work. They come into constant contact with affected patients, and if one medico is affected, the entire unit of 8 to 12 healthcare workers is quarantined for 2 to 3 weeks. As a result, a lot of our hospitals are not functioning at full capacity. Join me in changing this now. I'm personally donating 1,000 PPE kits to hospitals and medical staff across the country, and am pledging to raise money for another 1,000. If you contribute towards sending PPE to our medical staff, I will send you a personal video message thanking you for your noble contribution and generosity. And this video will always be with you in permanent memory.
लेकिन ये एक सेट डॉक्टर्स की जिंदगियों को महफूज कर सकता है. Earlier, Shahrukh Khan had also donated funds to procure personal protection equipment kits for health workers across Maharashtra. खुशी की बात ये है that in such a short time, Vidya has managed to raise funds to procure not 1,000 but 2,500 personal protection equipment kits, which is more than double of the initial target. इसीलिए अगर आप में से कोई भी डोनेट करना चाहता है, प्लीज टेक अ लुक एट द डिटेल्स ऑन विद्या सोशल मीडिया पेजेस.
Subhash Ghai, whose last couple of films didn't leave us with very good yadein, has decided to jump on to the sequel and remake bandwagon. अब खबर ये है कि Subhash Ghai is ready with a hardbound script for the sequel of the hugely successful film Khalnayak. Not just that, he's also apparently going to remake his first directorial film called Kali Charan. अब खबर ये भी है कि apparently Subhash Ghai got the idea for the sequel of Khalnayak from none other than, wait for it, Sanjay Dutt, and apparently the film is about Balu, that Sanjay Dutt's character, returning from prison. Now all of this seems too close to reality, but hey, you know what? Guys, I'll be really interested to find out how well this film does, because come on, let's face it, we all love Khalnayak and we're waiting to see Subhash Ghai come back and shine in his moment of glory. Here's the story.
Subhash Ghai's films used to be synonymous with great stories, melodious music, and lots of drama. Subhash Ghai has seen the success of many films from Khalnayak to Pardes. लेकिन उनके last few films Kisna और यादें didn't manage to strike a chord with the audience, and the director has been away from the limelight for a few years now, managing his institute and working on new scripts. Almost 27 years since Khalnayak's successful release, Subhash Ghai has shared with a newspaper that he is getting ready to film a sequel to the hugely popular action drama. पर यही नहीं, he is also looking to remake Kali Charan, which was his directorial debut. जहां लॉकडाउन की वजह से shoots have been brought to a standstill, Subhash Ghai says he has been working around the clock. He says, I talk for an hour each with the students and faculty of my acting school, watch films and shows, then for 3 hours a day work on scripts. For the last 6 to 7 months we have been creating content now, and I'm ready with 2 bound scripts, a sequel to Khalnayak and the remake of my first directorial, Kali Charan. Speaking more about the Khalnayak sequel, he shared that while the original Khalnayak had the envious cast of Sanjay Dutt, Jackie Shroff and Madhuri Dixit, the sequel will feature a younger villain, and the story will begin 2 years after Balu comes out of prison. Apparently, Khalnayak के sequel का idea Subhash Ghai को Sanjay Dutt ने दिया था, and it will be awesome to see the original cast make an appearance in the sequel as well. We can't wait for the lockdown to end so we hear more about Subhash Ghai's new films and who will be reprising the memorable roles by iconic actors like Sanjay Dutt, Madhuri Dixit and Jackie Shroff.
Now it seems like Saif Ali Khan has 2 very artistic sons. Jahan ek taraf Kareena Kapoor Khan has been posting these really cute and adorable pictures of Taimur making paintings, and she even referred to him as Junior Picasso. Wahin dusri taraf Saif Ali Khan's older son Ibrahim Ali Khan posted a picture of him recently. It was a throwback picture from his childhood where he was seen with his hands covered with paint, and he even referred to himself as Picasso Junior. Now is it just me, or does it seem like there's some sort of battle for the title of the ultimate cuteness between the 2 Khan brothers? Well, do write in and let me know which of the Khan brothers do you think was cuter. नवाबों के घर में है एक नहीं बल्कि दो पिकासो. That's right. Looks like Saif Ali Khan's sons are both artists और दोनों ही कर रहे हैं जूनियर पिकासो होने का दावा. While little Taimur has been spending time indoors making new artwork every day, which his proud mother shares on social media with the hashtag Quarantine Diaries and In-House Picasso. पर अब पिकासो के टाइटल के लिए एक और पटौड़ी कंटेंडर बन गए हैं, and that's his elder brother Ibrahim Ali Khan from Saif's first marriage to Amrita Singh. वैसे तो इब्राहिम सोशल मीडिया पर बहुत एक्टिव नहीं है, but when he shares pictures, they are usually really memorable ones. While his sister has already made her Bollywood debut, लगता है इब्राहिम also has his eyes set on a big screen debut in the future.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Annie.
Annie who?
Anything you do, I can do better than you.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Anna.
Anna the mosquito.
Knock knock.
Who's that?
Amos.
A mosquito.
Ibrahim, who looks almost exactly like Saif, has shared gorgeous photos in the past, whether it's from holidays in the Maldives or a photo shoot he and his sister Sara Ali Khan did for Abu Jani and Sandeep Khosla. But recently, Junior Pataudi shared a childhood photo of himself looking super cute in pajamas and with his hands smeared with paint. He captioned it, Picasso Junior. It's also amazing to see how much resemblance there is between Ibrahim and Taimur as kids, and the two definitely are going to look like brothers when they grow up. Looks like Ibrahim and Taimur both have got their artistic genes from their father Saif, who also has been painting during the lockdown and was seen painting the balcony door of his home with flowers. With so many artists in the house, maybe the name Pataudi will get swapped with Picasso very soon.
जहां इस लॉकडाउन की वजह से बहुत सारी फिल्मों की शूटिंग डिले हो गई है, बहुत सारी फिल्मों के रिलीजेस भी पुश हो गई हैं, वहीं पर कंगना रनावत's नेक्स्ट फिल्म थलाइवी, in which she plays the title role, which is the biopic of the late former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Jayalalitha, has apparently been scheduled for a 45-day shoot in Hyderabad, followed by another schedule in Chennai. Now, mind you guys, both these locations have outdoor sets that have already been erected, and the makers of the film are now slightly worried because they feel like if they can't finish the shoot before June, the monsoons hit and they're definitely going to incur huge losses thanks to the damages that the rains are going to cause to the sets. Now, having said that, this is a situation that a lot of other productions are facing, but nonetheless, here's the entire story.
Kangana Ranaut has many important films coming up this year like Dhakad, Tejas and Thalaivi, which is the biopic of the late Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha. COVID-19 pandemic and the lockdown has been enforced and has brought the shooting of the film to a standstill as producers and directors prioritize the safety of their cast and crew over financial investment made. थलाइवी के प्रोड्यूसर्स ने भी फिल्म के इनडेफिनिट डिले को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है, पर उनका कंसर्न कुछ और ही है. They are worried कि फिल्म के लिए जो 2 elaborate outdoor sets तैयार होके खड़े हैं, उनका क्या होगा? In sometimes the monsoon season will start in India and the showers might ruin both the sets. The 2 elaborate sets that have been built in Hyderabad and Chennai have been standing unused for the past 6 weeks. And while there have been losses because of the delays, agar sets बारिश में खराब हो गया, then there will be a massive expense in rebuilding both, leading to more losses. Producer Shailesh R. Singh is concerned and says, "We need to wrap up the film's shoot before the rains hit. Since they are outdoor setups, they will be ruined in the monsoon. Reconstructing the sets will be another expensive affair." The team had planned a long 45-day-long shooting schedule, which was supposed to kickstart on March 10th. The team has constructed a set of the Parliament House at the Ramakrishna Cine Studios in Hyderabad. Hyderabad में शूट खत्म करके the team was all set to film at the AVM studios in Chennai. The film's producer Vishnu Vardhan said, "We have recreated Mount Road at the AVM studios in Chennai and had planned a patchwork shoot there. Almost 40% of the movie is left to be filmed." It's really unfortunate क्योंकि फिल्म की शूटिंग बिल्कुल टाइम पे चल रही थी and everything was moving like clockwork till the COVID-19 pandemic forced all work to shut down. We hear that the makers have already suffered losses to the tune of 5 crore rupees, but सबकी सेफ्टी के आगे कोई कीमत ज्यादा नहीं है. Mr. Singh says, "Our team's safety is our priority. We had paid the studio for March, but were unable to shoot for a single day in Hyderabad. It's uncertain when the lockdown will be lifted. Even if we get a 10-day window, we will finish shooting the outdoor portions." वाकई the film industry has been impacted quite badly by this ongoing crisis, but जान है तो जहान है, and we hope कि monsoons शुरू होने से पहले filmmakers अपने outdoor schedules पूरा कर ले.
Well guys, अब वक्त हो गया है एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we're coming right back. Now, along with a lot of other events that have either been delayed or have been cancelled, the 67th Indian National Film Awards has also been delayed. Now, the awards were supposed to be held on the 3rd of May 2020. Now, this is the most prestigious award ceremony for film industries across India. However, owing to the coronavirus pandemic, this award function or award ceremony has been delayed and postponed indefinitely. Here's the story.
Due to the spread of the coronavirus pandemic, the 67th National Film Award scheduled for 3rd of May 2020 has been postponed indefinitely. The prestigious awards are usually announced in April every year after the jury of eminent filmmakers and film personalities put together a list of winners. अप्रैल में विनर्स अनाउंस होने के बाद the award ceremony is conducted in May. लेकिन इस बार, as the government is struggling with the pandemic, the process of creating a jury itself was left incomplete. Filmmaker Rahul Ravel, who was a part of the National Film Awards jury last year, was speaking to a newspaper and shared that the process of creating the esteemed jury was supposed to start. But as the coronavirus scare became more apparent, the award function itself was postponed indefinitely. He added that for this year's awards, the jury has not been formed yet. The National Film Award jury is an esteemed group consisting of eminent film personalities who chooses winners from the best films released in India across all languages. As it so happens, पिछले साल भी elections की वजह से awards delay हुए थे. The winners were announced in August and the ceremony was conducted in December. Rahul Ravel added in his conversation with the publication that since hardly any films may release in 2020, having a ceremony in 2021 may not be fair. देखना यह है कि ऐसे सिचुएशन में फिल्मों का और अवार्ड सेरेमनीज का फ्यूचर कैसे होगा and whether this pandemic will alter traditions going on for decades. But फिलहाल everyone is focused on beating the pandemic in the country.
And with that, we come to the end of today's episode of Planet Bollywood. और जैसे मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, I will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, right here from my home, bringing you all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. लेकिन जाते जाते मैं आपको ये रिमाइंड करना चाहता हूँ कि लाइफ में the only thing constant is change, and I do know for a fact that every bad time comes to an end, and there's always an upswing. So we got to look forward to that. We got to stay positive. We got to stay home. We got to stay safe. And remember, we're all in this together. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.